Hey, this is Jim from DTRSec. This is the 11th video in the Reversing in REnigma series. We will continue analyzing the executable malware recorded earlier in this series. In this video, we will give an overview of the network details in the process analysis table. Let's do a quick overview of the process network details analysis in REnigma. First, we will use the network columns in the process analysis table to identify processes with network activity. Second, we will look at the connections of the malicious fake Office click-to-run process. Last, we will examine an svchost.exe process that makes many connections. Now, let's take a look at this in the REnigma web interface. First, start on the REnigma homepage. Then we click on the Recordings tab. Then we click on the Expand button for the recording we want to examine. And then we click on the Details button. And now we scroll down to the Process Analysis section. The process tree is large, and only a small fraction of processes have network connections. You can use the network columns in the process activity table to find these processes. The network columns are TCP, UDP, and ping. We will be examining a couple of processes with TCP connections to demonstrate how to use this data. Let's expand the Office click-to-run.exe process running as PID 1384. As we can see, it has two entries in the TCP column of the process analysis table. We can then drill down into the TCP activity for this process. As we can see, there are two connections to the IP address 104.21.92.201 on port 80. And REnigma also gives the execution points for the system calls that performed the operation. This allows you to go to that precise point in time and investigate the call further if needed. Or you can write REnigma tools using our API to do the same thing. Now, let's look at the TCP entries in the svchost.exe process running as PID 368. In this case, there are 123 TCP entries. If we scroll down, we can see that there is a More button if there are a very large number of entries. In this case, it appears that all TCP connections went to 13.64.180.106 on port 443. Again, we see the execution points are all available for all connections. This allows you to perform deeper investigation of what behaviors triggered these connections. And that's all for now. If you want to learn more about REnigma or are interested in evaluating REnigma, please visit dtrsec.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.